This video is going to be the rhythm for Jingle Bells, the reggae version, and we'll have a go at putting the melody over the top as well. Okay, so the chords are simple, G and C and D, and we're going to be doing our reggae strum like Three Little Birds, so it's just a weight, then up stroke. Okay, so what I've done here is I've counted the chords out in bars. A bar is just a count of 4. So you can see here I've put G times 4, that means 4 bars of G, or 4 counts of G. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. If all that counting in your head is a bit much, you can just think of it as 8 strums. So 4 bars of G is 8 strums, 1 bar of C is 2 strums. Okay, 1 bar of G is 2 strums, 2 bars of G is, 2 bars of D is 4 strums. So, whichever way you choose to think of it, whether you want to think of it as 4 bars or whether you want to think of it as 8 strums, we do that many of G, so 8 strums, say, of G. Okay, 2 strums of C, 1 bar of C. Okay, 2 strums of G, 1 bar of G, and then 4 strums of D, or 2 bars of D. So that's the first verse. And it will sound like this. Cool. So I'm going to go through that twice, and I'm first going to count it in bars and then going to count it in strums, so you can see that they match up. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, 2, then 1 bar of C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 bar of G, 3, 4, 2 bars of D, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. Or if we're counting strums, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 2 of C, 2 of G, 4 of D, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Okay, so that's the counting. Let's just go through that verse one more time without me talking over the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool, one more time and then we'll look at the second verse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool, our second verse, it's all the same except for the end. So we do 4 bars of G, or 8 strums of G if you want to call it that, 1 bar of C, or 2 strums of C if you want to call it that, 1 bar of G, or 2 strums of G if you want to call it that, then it's just, this is the change, 1 bar of D, 2 strums, and a single G all by himself. So that means coming up at the end there we'll be doing the D, just finish on the G like that. So that's the only difference. So we'll go through that. With that, 4 bars of G, 8 strums, 1 bar of C, 2 strums, 1 bar of G, 2 strums, 1 bar of D, 2 strums, and then just a final single strum on that G to end. Okay, so try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're coming 2 strums on D, and to finish like that. Cool. Okay, one more time through that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Okay, so let's try the two verses back to back, and then we'll have a look at how they fit with the melody. Okay, so starting with the first verse and going through into the second verse. 1, 2, 3, 4. C coming up. There's the G. A couple of D's. And second verse. Cool. So if you want to practice that a couple more times, you can just rewind the video to do so. Now I'm going to do the rhythm through twice with the melody over the top as played by my new friend.